In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling before and after transformation using CapCut. Whether you're showcasing a room makeover, an impressive fitness journey, or just a simple before and after effect for your latest project, this guide will help you effortlessly create a visually engaging video. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to take both your before and after photos or videos and place them side by side on the timeline. This allows you to start building the basic structure of your transformation sequence. Adding both visuals side by side gives your audience an immediate sense of the change, providing them with a clear comparison point. If you're working with video clips, ensure that each clip is trimmed to a similar length for smoother transitions later on. Once you've got your clips set up on the timeline, it's time to use CapCut's split screen feature, or the mask tool. The split screen tool is particularly useful for comparing two pieces of content simultaneously, allowing both the before and after to be visible at once. If you prefer a more seamless blend of images, consider using the mask tool. This feature helps you achieve a smooth overlay effect, keeping the attention on both elements equally. Next, to make your transformation more dynamic, consider adding a slide transition or employing keyframes to animate a split reveal. Transitions like slides can help add a professional touch, making the shift from before to after more engaging. Using keyframes can further enhance this effect by allowing you to control how the transition unfolds during the timeline, giving you the ability to set the exact moment each change is showcased. Now, to ensure the differences between your before and after are clear, it's essential to label each version with text. By adding labels, you guide the viewer's eyes and provide context that adds meaning to the transformation. Simply select the text tool and choose a font and size that suits your overall video aesthetic, ensuring that it remains readable against the background. Position your labels thoughtfully so that they complement, rather than distract from the images or clips. By carefully following these steps, you'll create a captivating and clear before and after video using CapCut that highlights the transformations in a visually engaging manner. This approach not only draws attention to the changes, but also helps convey the story or message behind your transformations more effectively. Keep practicing and experimenting with different transitions, texts, and arrangements to further enhance your skills. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look out for more creative tutorials to master your video editing skills with ease.